Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is John Paul Liacuna Cabotaje. So I am also alumnus of Palawan State University, computer science graduate. I'd like to greet batch 2021-22 or all the graduating students of Palawan State University computer science students. So yes, I'm also a comsci graduate now, same school. So currently, I am a NOC engineer or Network Operations Center engineer in a software company or IT company. So basically, we are the one who's managing the applications that are running in multiple clusters. So multiple clusters with the multiple servers or hundreds of servers per clusters. No, if you are familiar with the clustering. No, so cluster is a term for a group of servers which includes different type of servers. We have API servers, web servers, and core servers. So all of those, we are the one who's managing that. We are making sure that all the clusters health check are up and running. No? So basically, we are the support group or support wing of the NICE in Contact Philippines. So our office in BGC, Bonifacio Global City, Taguig, and I've been in a company for almost more than a year, no? More than a year. Pero yung dati kong company, I've been working on that company, Reed LCB Philippines, for almost 9 years. 9 years, no? So, yun, more than 1 year pala ako dito sa current company ko. So, currently, I'm in a remote setup or currently working from home, no? Because yun ang trend ngayon since last year kasi nung nag-pandemic, no? Nag-lockdown ng NCR. So, our employer decided to set a work from home arrangement for health security health, no, kasi yun maraming kumakalat yung COVID that time last year around March then yun maraming nagbago, maraming adjustments na nangyari, pero so far cope up naman tayo because kahit paano hindi tayo sa technology, no, sa technology side hindi tayo masyadong affected kasi we can do work remotely. In other words, we do work paperless. So yun siguro yung advantage pag computer related course graduate ka kasi you don't need to so much paperworks, no. So yes, just a brief background of my day-to-day task as a NOC engineer. So like I mentioned, we are the support team or the both application support, including that, no, application support, and in the infrastructure side of the applications, no, because we all know that an application or a web app or a website are running or installed in a different or in a multiple servers and regions as well, no, to have multiple redundancy and high availability. So most of the IT companies they really require that super high availability feature of an application. So ito kasing product namin, NICE in Contact, our product is CX1. If you're familiar with that, it's a kind of it's like a software soft phone type, no? It's like a soft phone. It's, what do you call this? It's a software phone, no? So other companies are no longer using handset or telephone handset, no? Yung typical na telephone, no? Because most of the BPOs and call centers are using now soft phone. They call soft phone, no? Soft telephone. Some of them are also some of other companies or BPO or call center companies are using Avaya soft phone or IC, no? However, si Nice in Contact is not just focusing on that market, yung sa soft phone, because this is just not a a simple soft phone, ano? It's a big application. It's multiple functions, no? Itong sinusupport namin na product or applications, no? Our term is product because that's the product of our company, the Nice CX1. So basically we manage servers and infrastructure of our product, no? We monitor health checks. What health checks? So we basically monitor resources like CPU, disk usage, and memory, no? We also managing traffic, no? From primary to secondary clusters during failover, no? So for sure baka medyo napapaisip ko kung ano ba ito yung mga term na to, mga cluster na yan. So like I mentioned, ano, when you say cluster, no, we have server 1, server 2, then si server 1 and server 2, pag nag-fail si server 1, there is an extra server na sasalo sa load or sa traffic ng application. So we are the one who making sure that yung application na yun is still running, or yung failover or yung pag-fail sa kabilang server is still smooth, no? So we both handling or managing servers or administrating servers both on-prem and cloud-based. So we some of our resources are on cloud as well. So we are a operating hybrid, no? Hybrid. So that's the term, hybrid, when you are on on-prem data centers and you already cloud migrated, no? So they call the hybrid. So on-prem, pag sinabing on-premise, so we still have physical data centers or server facilities in a site. So basically yung mga sites namin or data centers namin sa US, no? Sa US yung aming mga data centers, doon yung aming mga servers, no? Different regions sa US. And some of them are in cloud. So what are cloud technology? I know some of you are already familiar with the cloud technology, no? So what are our cloud providers, no? We have AWS, GCP, Azure, no? And Alibaba. They are on the trend now, but the most popular is AWS, and they are the most big or largest AWS cloud services, or yes, AWS, Amazon Web Services, no? So yun, so typically we are the level 1.5 resource, or a little bit of level 1, level 2, no, and supporting our products, because like I've mentioned, we administer servers, so we typically do systems administration role and application support role, and a little bit of middleware role, no? Application support. So we um, we troubleshoot thoroughly with the application. So not just the code, no, because the codes, the in charge with that are the developers, no, or the programmers, or the one who generate the code, or the one who's programmed the system or the web application. But however, we are the one who's checking the services, because we all know applications have a lot of services connecting to the servers. So there are a lot of services, including database services, so that the database service will run, and the application will able to get the data from the database, no, para mag-connect sila, no. So application in the server, para mag-connect sila ng connection, there are services behind. So we are the one who's bouncing the server, or restarting it, or sometimes on the IIS servers. So for the web services, for the web servers, there are IIS, no, internet information services, no. So we are the one who's doing the initial troubleshooting with some of features running, no, in our application. So we sometimes do a IIS reset, full IIS reset, or recycle a specific app pool to refresh the pool, no, para maging okay ulit yung isang portion ng system na nagkaka-problem si end user, no. So yes, we monitor, we do proactively doing a monitoring role, no. So both server infrastrucures, health checks, so CPU and disk utilization, and also not just on the server side, no. We also supporting a little bit of some of our network devices and voice devices, no. We are making sure that all the alerts are escalated to the level 3 support, no, to the server owner, or to the DevOps, or solutions architect team, who really the one who's designed the infrastructure of the applications, no? So yes, we troubleshoot during incident scenario then, no? Such as server reboot, no? We are the one who's rebooting the server sometimes, no. And also we are making sure that every day, no, our cluster are in a fully redundant status, so high availability and high redundancy. So high redundancy means for example, a specific component ng isang application mo, hindi lang dapat isa or dalawa yung nag-host ng application mo, no? So as much possible, multiple servers yan, or multiple virtual servers yan. So that's called the high availability for an application, no, or high redundancy. So yun, we are making sure that our products are zero downtime as much as possible, and we are making sure that network traffic flows properly end to end from customers and production clusters. And we also the one who's monitoring some of the firewall alerts, no, and BGP peers for some of the network devices, no, initial checks, no? And we are the one who's escalating that to the network engineers as much as possible, because network and the voice infrastructures are really doing a vital role in the product that we are supporting in 961. So yun, and what else? So some of our day-to-day tasks, we do also patching activity, no? Not really primary on the patching, no? But we are the one who's assisting the some of the systems operations during the patch. So well, we do a big role in patching activity, no? Like I've mentioned, we also part of the systems administration team, which we are the one who's maintaining those servers, no? Removing them from the prod on the live traffic, no? During patch para hindi magkaroon ng impact. So we are the one who's as much suppressing the alerts, no? And double checking those servers kung na-stop na ba yung mga services before rebooting the servers, no? Kasi patching, no? If you are not familiar with the patching, when you say patching, no, sa term ng technology operations, sa mga technology company, no, they are rebooting the server, no? We are rebooting the servers after the installation of the latest KB patch from the thrown by Windows updates, no? We are the one who's making sure that the application are in still a good state after the patch, no? Doing the validations and replication of the applications, making sure that we don't have any errors encountered during the validation, ganyan. So yun, before i-reboot ni system operations, so si NOC, consult muna nila sa team namin, ano, sa NOC, sa Network Operations Center, kung good to go na ba, kung pwede sila mag-proceed sa kanilang patching activity, no? So we are the go signal, we are the one who giving the go signal to them na, hey guys, you can reboot those servers, they are now in a maintenance state. All the conditions or all the applications and settings, configurations are all in set. Yeah, kami yung nag-check nun, no? So yun, we also the one who's responsible for building a new cluster, no? So cluster, again, another example of a cluster, no? Si Facebook for example, kung nakikita nyo lang sa mga browser nyo, akala nyo facebook.com lang yan, they are running in the DNS are running in the different clusters as well. So hindi lang natin siya nanonotice, no? Pero behind the back end of the Facebook, they are running in a multiple clusters, and these clusters are also running in a multiple servers, and these servers have a different type of servers. So maybe some of them are API servers, no? Application program interface, no? Maybe some of them are running in IIS servers, or those are web servers, no? So web servers, so usually the web servers are yun yung ano, yung kung saan naka-host yung feature ni Facebook, di ba, pag nagla-login, yan, doon yan, usually doon yan, yung authentication nandoon yan, yung authentication yan. So doon nagra-run yun, yung services nun. Ang nag-host nun most of the time si web servers or si IIS, no, sa Facebook. And then these servers or clusters are running in a different region as well. So ganyan nakaganyan, no. Si Facebook, ito lang isang product, pero ang sa backend niyan malawak, no, pag ganyan yan. Ito lang yung product mo, isa lang yan, pero sa baba niyan, downside, ano, maraming nagra-run ng mga transactions and mga ganap. Akala nyo, Facebook yan lang yan, ano? Pero behind, nung pag-trigger nyo ng username nyo, pag-enter nyo yung password nyo, saka pa lang siya magkikreate ng trigger or ng program, no? Papunta kay database para mahanap yung records nyo, ganyan, di ba? Maraming pinagdadaan ng transactions or program, algorithm, no? And those operations and transactions are catering some of these servers which are managing and administering by systems administration admin team. So we have a different systems admin people, no? So we have a Windows administration group, we have a Unix admin group, and we have middleware admin, no? We also have database admin, so they are the one who's doing some admin role or admin task with the database servers, no? Yun. So maraming involved, no? In a single application or in a single product that we are seeing right now in the web or in the internet, no? So, and what else? We are also doing or handling major incident event scenario, no? We collaboratively work with the major incident team or incident managers rather. So yan, so we are the people involved usually in the major incident. So major incident, when we say major incident, no, hard down na yung application mo, no? Tulad yung mga recent events na nangyari kay Facebook, no? Akala natin, no, may notice lang si Facebook na may down sila, pero what we don't know, sa operations ni Facebook, sa IT operations nila ngayon, nung time na nangyari yun, ano, nagkakagulo na yun. I mean, nagkakaroon na ng triaging doon. For sure, yung kanilang informer or incident manager ang nagsisend ng comms, communication sa mga iba't ibang specialized team or specialized IT support or specialized IT professionals. So we have maybe